Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we'll be installing WordPress on a system, and we will be using the WordPress code to create a website. We won't be linking our website to WordPress, but yeah, we'll be using their code to create the website for us. So in the last video we installed XAMPP into our system and converted our systems into a web server. In this video we'll be downloading WordPress, so go to Google and just type WordPress download. So on the first link, wordpress.org, always download the code from wordpress.org. So just open the link, and over here you'll find download WordPress 6.2. 6.2 is basically the version of code that they are offering right now, which is going to be the latest, and we'll be using the latest. So you will see that you will be provided with a zip or a RAR file. So just go to downloads and extract that file or convert that file into a folder. Just basically right click on that file and click on extract here. Just wait for the extraction to complete, and it's almost done. Another moment. 94 5 7 8 and done. After extraction you'll see a WordPress folder. So if you open that folder, this is the entire code or the entire website code already given to you by WordPress. Okay, this is a complete website. It includes everything. It includes your login, it includes the basic structure of your website, it includes CSS, HTML, PHP, it includes everything. So just copy this folder, go to XAMPP, go to htdocs, and just paste that folder over here. This is going to be basically your database. You can rename this if you want to. If you are creating, for example, multiple websites, now every website cannot have the same database folder, so you can rename this database folder to anything. You can say WordPress 1, or you can just type online shopping or anything like that. So this is done, nothing else needs to be done over here in the htdocs. Now go to Google, type localhost / phpmyadmin. Now people who don't know what phpmyadmin is, so phpmyadmin is basically an administrator which handles either Maria database queries or SQL queries. So just a second, this site can't be reached. I know what's wrong. So my XAMPP is not running. So to open phpmyadmin you have to have your XAMPP running. So I'll start Apache and SQL, allow access, and yeah, they have started. So I'll just go back to my web browser, just refresh, and this time it's going to open. Sometime it takes a little time to load, and there we go. So PHP is an administrator which is going to monitor all your website databases, including queries, user accounts, everything. So we have to create a database over here. So just go to databases, which is written on the top, and just type your database name over here. So the name is going to be the same as the folder you created in htdocs. So the folder I created in htdocs was WordPress. So my database name is going to be WordPress over here, and I'll just click on create. And now database has been created named WordPress, and this is actually linked to your database folder which is in htdocs. Now PHP is going to administer everything that is being done on your website, create databases, create tables for your user accounts, for the products you are selling. Everything is going to be handled by PHP. Now all you need to do is type localhost and /WordPress, and this what's being shown over here is the WordPress code which is being run. Now WordPress will help you to create a website. So the first option is going to be your language, and it's going to be English US. Click on continue. After that it will just show welcome to WordPress before getting started, vagera vagera. So this is just saying that welcome to WordPress, so stay ready and WordPress will help you to create a website. Let's go. So database name is going to be the same name of which you just created in my PHP admin. The username for this is always going to be root. So just type root. The password remains blank. No need to type anything in the password. Database host is always going to be localhost because we'll be editing the website in our localhost. And no need to make any changes in the table prefix. That thing will be handled by phpmyadmin. So just click on submit, and alright, you're ready to install WordPress. Run the installation. So these are just basic information about your website. For example, what's going to be the title of your website. Username is and password is really important over here, because this is what it's going to help you to log into your administrating powers. So without this, you won't be able to edit the website. So make sure you have a easy username and password, and then confirm that I'm using a weak password, and you cannot bypass the email address submission over here. So you need to type your email address over here. Confirm use of weak password, and now WordPress is going to link everything and install a website on your web server, that is your system. Now remember your username and password, because this is what's going to help you in logging in and using your administrating powers. Without this, you won't be able to edit or design the website. Now I have chosen a really simple username and password because I'm currently just creating a demo website to explain everything to you. If you are creating a good website and you are thinking about making it live later on, so choose a good username and password, which is going to again help you from preventing unauthorized access. So let's click on login. Here you're going to enter your username and password that you just created, and click on login. So this is your dashboard. This is where you're going to design your entire website. Everything in your website is going to be controlled from this dashboard. You can create posts for your websites if you are making a vlogging website. You can see the comments, you can create pages, you can add appearances, which includes the theme of your website. Then we have plugins, themes, and so on. So this is how your website is currently looking like. This is basically a basic code created by WordPress. So this is currently your website, but don't worry, we are going to make a better website than that one. Okay, so this is all you need to know for now in this video. Now, if you have any issues, if you are not able to reach till this step, let me know down in the comments, because in the next video, we'll be starting to create a good dynamic website, interactive website. I'll create a shopping website further on. So if you have any question, any doubts, any queries, you are not able to reach this particular step, any error, anything, let me know down in the comments. And in the next video, we'll start creating a good website for ourselves. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you all guys in the next video.